Dear student, in this lecture we are going to learn LBA, that is linear bounded automata. So see here, LBA stands for linear bounded automata. So the mathematical representation of CSL is called LBA. So CSL stands for context sensitive language. The mathematical representation for the context sensitive language is called as LBA, that is called linear bounded automata. So you try to understand here, the more detail of this chapter we will give and the explanation past in the online lecture. So the context sensitive language का जो mathematical representation है, that is the called the linear bounded automata, that is LBA. So the LBA is a restricted non-deterministic Turing machine with the following operation. So there are two operations, that is include the left end marker and the left end marker and the right end marker. Right end marker. Okay. So there are two markers, that is called left end marker and one is a right end marker. So the left end marker, it is denoted by dollar, and the right end marker, it is denoted by like this. Okay. So the LBA is restricted non-deterministic Turing machine with the, what is Turing machine, we will see in the other video. Okay. So the LBA is a restricted non-deterministic Turing machine with the following two operations. So in terms of mathematical representation, we have shown here, that is linear bounded automata is a mathematical representation of CSL. And in terms of some Turing machine, we are writing that is a left hand marker and there will be a right hand marker. So we will denote by using this symbol. So the read write header cannot move from left to dollar and right from, that is a right hand marker. So there are two end marker is denoted here. So you see here, that is a linear bounded automata is a, that is a linear bounded automata is a multi-track non-deterministic Turing machine with a tape of some bounded finite length. So there will be one end marker, that is a left end marker, and there will be one right end marker. So we can say that the machine M, that is for the LBA M, so it is denoted as a, that M equal to, that is Q sigma tau B dollar, and that is one left hand marker, one right hand marker. There is a delta, there is a QZ and Q0, and there is F. Okay, so this will be the notation, and the transition function will be, that is Q cross tau to 2 to the power Q cross tau cross left or right. So like that. Okay, so there will be a left hand marker and there will be a right hand marker. So I hope you have understood. So the CSL जो language है, so the language which is accepted by LBA or generated by CSG is called CSL. Okay, so context sensitive language क्या है? So the language which is accepted by LBA, इसको LBA जिसको accept कर रहा है, जिस language को, वो CSL, या जो जनरेट किया जा रहा है CSG कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेंसिटिव ग्रामर के द्वारा, उसको हम CSL कहेंगे. So like that you can understand in this way. So see some example here. Okay, that is L equal to A to the power n, B to the power n, C to the power n. Okay, n is greater than equal to 1. So this is the example of CSL. Okay, so make some L1. Now issue some L2. Okay, so see here, A to the power n square. Okay, n is greater than equal to 1. Okay, So this is also CSL, context sensitive language. Now you see the third example, that is L3 equal to a to the power 2 to the power n. Okay, that is n is greater than equal to 1. Okay, L4, you see here L4, that is a to the power factorial n. Okay, that is n is greater than equal to 1. Okay, so you can't write here 0. Okay, you just keep one thing. Okay, I am writing here NB. NB matlab important point. Okay, so you don't write 0 here. Okay, if you write 0, then it will becomes different thing. So that will be discussed in other video. But this time I am saying n is greater than equal to 1. But in some book you will get greater than equal to 0 also. So वो दूसरा कुछ होगा, ठीक है, वो CSG मतलब कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेंसिटिव लैंग्वेज नहीं होगा, कोई दूसरा होगा, हम उसको आगे पढ़ाएंगे बाकी किसी वीडियो में. सो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 लिखना है, लिखे हैं यहाँ पर, ठीक है. सो ये सब आपका जो लैंग्वेज है L4 ये CSL हो, CSG हो गया, कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेंसिटिव लैंग्वेज. Then you see the L5. Okay, so L5 you see here a to the power p. Okay, and p is prime. Okay, p क्या है, prime है, p is prime. So L5. Okay, L5 a to the power p is prime. Okay, अब suppose that we are writing L6. Okay, so L6 equal to a to the power p. Okay, p is not prime. Okay, p is not prime. p prime है, p prime नहीं है, तो ये दोनों जो है CSL के अंदर आते हैं. सो अब देखिए, सपोज दैट वी आर राइटिंग L7 इक्वल टू WW. ओके, एंड W belongs to AB plus. If we are writing L8, so all are CSL, then X WXW such that W belongs to AB plus. Okay, so all above are CSL. अब suppose that I am writing all above words, मतलब L1 to L8 is CSL. Now I am writing suppose I am writing L10, not 9. Okay, and I am just making like this. Okay, so L10 equal to, suppose that a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n. Okay, and n is greater than equal to 0. So this is not CSL. Okay, CSL नहीं है, ठीक है, CSL नहीं है. क्या होगा, अगला वीडियो देखिए. Okay, so see the next video, you will get about more detail. It is not. So the LBA is more powerful than PDA. Yes, LBA is more powerful than PDA. So LBA accept every language which accepted by FA-PDA. So LBA accepts some of the language which are not accepted by PDA. So we can make a diagram like this, that is every CFL, and there is a CSL. Okay, there are two terms, that is every CFL and there is a CSL. Okay, so every CFL is CSL. Okay, every. Okay, and not every, that is every CSL is not CFL, means no, means need not every. Okay, you just see here, need not every. Okay, need not every. So we can draw the diagram here also for that, that is CFL. Okay, then CSL, CFL, then CSL, then RS, and then RES. ओके, सो फुल फॉर्म आपको ऑलरेडी पता है, हमने बताया है, ठीक है. सो इसको हम ऐसे कर देते हैं, ठीक है. ये देखिए, ये CFL है, ये CSL है, ये RS है, रिकर्सिव है, रिकर्सिव है, ये रिकर्सिव है और ये रिकर्सिव एनुमरेबल है. Okay, so we will see this part in other video. One is recursive enumerable. So the finally I am making one more diagram here. You see this. This is there is a language that is called phi. Okay. There is a language that is called finite. Okay. There is a language which is called RL. Then there is a DCFL. Okay. Then there is a CFL. Okay. Then there is a CSL. Then there is a RS, recursive. Okay. And there is a RES. Okay. So this comes for the procedure, and this is called for the algorithm. Okay. So it becomes like that. So this is also very important gate question. So you also remember it. Okay. So we will conduct some more classes online also. So you just stay tuned. You will able to get these things in more detail. So we are closing this and we will continue in the next section.